J'ai connu ce grand amour. Et tout ce que j'avais dû faire, c'est de ne plus avoir peur et de faire confiance. Et de prendre une chance, quoi. J'ai vraiment peur. J'ai peur de ce que la vie sera sans lui, what life is going to be without him. Hello everybody, bonsoir tout le monde. Je voulais faire cette petite vidéo pour partager une leçon que Mika a essayé de m'apprendre. He used to try to teach me that it's in your vulnerable times that you sometimes find yourself. I remember when we first started dating and I realized how easy it was for me to fall in love with him, I got scared. I got scared because I thought if I can fall for him that easily and he has that much power over me, then it would be just as easy for him to hurt me one day. And I got scared to lose control and give myself to him and let go. When we decided to have a serious conversation about the relationship, he told me that this fear is going to prevent me from living the life that I deserve. That with this fear, I will never be able to unlock certain doors and access certain parts of myself that I deserve to get to know. So when I decided to trust him wholeheartedly and to not have control of how I was feeling and to just let things happen, I knew a love that I never thought was even possible or even could imagine was real one day, you know. I got to know an unconditional love. J'ai connu ce grand amour. Et tout ce que j'avais dû faire, c'est de ne plus avoir peur et de faire confiance et de prendre une chance, quoi. Now that he's gone, I feel I'm terrified. J'ai vraiment peur. J'ai peur de ce que la vie sera sans lui, what life is going to be without him. J'ai peur de me faire confiance que je peux vraiment endurer tout ça. I'm terrified. And I don't have him here to guide me through it. I know I'm strong. And I know I have my faith to rely on. And I know I'm going to get through this with his help. But I guess the message behind this whole story is sometimes you can embrace your fears and you don't always have to be in control. En tout cas, passez une bonne journée. Take